This, both in eastern Uganda, northern Uganda, and West Nile. It's as if they don't sell oil. It's there, but to very minimal. What you will realize is, what have you realized here? You realize that all these foods, they have OD. This was having OD. This is also is pested having OD. This is also having OD. So what you will see there mostly is OD. OD is peanut butter.
Mix the granite and then you sim, then
they grind it.
You roast it first and then you grind it.
Cooking oil is almost, it's there, but we can just say almost, not.
People don't use it.
People don't like it. People like boiled foods and pasted. That's all. Natural food. There.
That's why we don't grow fat. We're always tiny from
Very healthy.
But very strong.
Yeah, but very, very strong. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jabuel and I'm with...
My name is Lennox Junior, guys. I'm Kenyan. I'm from Kenya. I came to Uganda to experience Uganda.
Yes, to experience Uganda,
yes,
and all that it has to offer.
And all that it has to offer, and I'm really surprised what Uganda has to offer, man. A lot of things.
Yeah, actually he was surprised to see that there are also Luos in Uganda.
Yeah, I was really shocked, by the way. When I heard you speak Luo, I didn't know. I would get some words and I asked, are you Luo? Then when I knew that you are a Luo.
Yeah, so actually, if you want to, I'm also a Luo. He's a Luo.
Yes.
She's a Luo.
Yeah.
And Mama, the owner of this restaurant, is also a Luo. So, just a quick one.
Yes.
Itiened.
Auntie Mabel. Auntie Mabel.
Itiened Mabel. So you are now learning our language.
No, when you say Itienade, I can reply Auntie Mabel.
Oh, you also reply
like that? Yes, I reply like that.
Oh, wow.
Auntie Mabel. But you say Auntie Abel.
That okay, fine. In Uganda we have very many Luos.
Yes.
In Acholi, Papa in Acholi is, how do they say it? Atima. The same.
The same.
The same.
Yeah.
So when you are here, you can't get lost.
I can't. Yeah, I can't. Unless you continue, like when you speak fast, I cannot get sound. But I can always connect.
Yeah, you cannot get lost.
Yes.
So he is also a YouTuber.
Yes.
He's by the names
Lennox Junior.
Lennox Junior.
Yes.
So
Otieno is now my low name.
Oh, Otieno is a low name. I'm Okelo.
Okay. Otieno.
Otieno. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. So if you are from my channel, kindly go to his YouTube channel and check on his channel. After watching this video, let's support a brother.
Yeah.
So,
Lennox Junior.
Yeah, Lennox Junior. So guys, today we are going to be experiencing Luo foods. Let's wait and get to
see how it is. I really want to see the difference between our food and their food.
Oh, it's mingling. Come.
I think you are not late.
Come inside.
It's almost.
So that one is mingling of brown ugali.
This is kalo.
Yeah, kalo.
This is how kalo is made.
This is how we mingle our kalo.
It's a Luo food in Kenya and Uganda. We share it. So they are preparing, currently they're preparing lunch. And they have to chop it, it's a whole process. And this is how it's made. It's chopped. Just to make it fine.
And also the person doing it has to have experience, because you might even chop your hand. You see how it's a bit risky.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even yesterday there was a Lubara man came here. He ate, but he was wanted TikTok. I never knew. You tell me your name. Said my name is Akot. I'm eating from Akot Lily restaurant. I'm just here in the current dog section office.
Yeah, by the way, we are currently inside the barracks. This
Benetie.
I know body again man do momodo.
Ine we kama mugisa beri eni.
Pingo peri ni anko kodi muzee bara mo yeto kono ni anke di kone akade yi choka ya. Indi dan momodo.
So you're
Momot ko an ka no gin money ana wajo. Pien eni ma wana donye eni ko ngo beri pa gwa dek. Chi retire bin si a lo beda ni ang ni ogam chiene ne. Ka do ni ang office.
Aya. Ito tem ko mana.
so you are going to mix it in the fresh meat or
The fresh meat.
you are going to cook it in fresh meat. Wow, this is okra. She's chopping it. She's going to prepare it with fresh meat. Yeah. So guys, we do have this is it. This one here is called la pena. This is pigeon peas pasted. And then this over here is called malakwang. Yeah. Malakwang is a certain kind of greens. It's very common in northern Uganda. Yeah. And then this is the brown ugali. Kalo. Of course, this is sweet potatoes.
Yes.
I know you know that one.
Yes, that one I know.
Yeah, and then this one is gobe.
Gobe.
Oh, sorry, bo.
Bo.
Yeah, bo. Yeah, here they call it gobe. That is bo.
Ah.
Yeah, so can you, which one are you beginning with?
No, I'll take this.
You don't want to try this out?
No. I'll take this one first. This one.
Oh, you want to try that one first?
This one first.
Okay.
So, which ones? Okay, this one will be taken because it will be too much.
Yeah, even, they should take this one back.
Yeah, this one.
You can take
This.
it back.
Eat that one. Take me back.
So guys, I'm in Uganda. And this is like the popular food, right?
Yes.
This is the popular food that you guys eat.
Yeah, it's not this is not the popular food. This is the most eaten food. Yeah, the most popular food is matoke.
Yeah. Uganda.
But people prefer this.
Yeah. So you said you want to start with this.
This.
You
And
see?
this one is this.
Yeah, and it's having bicarbonate. They put in the bicarbonate, locally made bicarbonate,
And then
and
soda.
soda ash. Yes, and then paste. Good. Very fancy. How do you see it? Very nice. Then let us try out this also first. This is malakwang. You can eat it with the kalo, but here in northern Uganda, there are two main languages. We have the Langi, they call it Ochok. Then the Acholi, they call it Mayata. So they normally eat it with this. You can try it out and see. How is it?
This one is better than this.
This one is better than this.
With the taste.
Now let's try it again with kalo. This.
Man,
Oh, by the way, in Uganda, when we eat kalo, either the soup, the food we have soup or what, just dip the whole
The person drops the soup.
Yeah, you have to dip the whole first.
Drop the soup.
It's just, I mean, it's just there. It's in there, we don't like it. It's better with kalo.
It's better with color.
And another rule of kalo, you don't shoot.
Oh, you eat like Nigeria. You swallow. You just swallow.
Slightly.
If you shoot, you just press with the tongue. If you shoot, it will not be nice in your mouth, so you will not enjoy it. You just swallow it.
So,
I'm sampling Ugandan food. Remember I'm in Uganda.
So let's now check out this one.
Beans.
It's not beans. It's called how do you call it? La pena. Yes, called la pena. La
This
pena.
one we eat with the pork.
You can try with let's try it with
Okay.
Ellen. So let's try it with this one.
also in the beans family.
Yeah, the family of
Different
beans.
variety.
This one is better.
This one is also having bicarbonate inside, and it's also paste. One thing you will realize about northern food, even chicken with paste. Chicken, meat, fish, everything is eaten pasted. There is nothing they eat with when it's not pasted. Like here now, she has bush. That's bush. That's what fish. That's bush meat.
Oh, this one.
Yes, pasted.
Guys, I'm trying.
You tell him to pick me how I enjoy our food. That's how I enjoy it.
Local food.
Yeah. You can see this is like eaten food in Uganda. I've been in Kampala. This is my start day.
So
You agree with that? Not gonna
you can
That's how I enjoy it.
you can try it
It's not
also
joke
with
with
the.
You eat it today, you go and eat it today. Tomorrow the same day, huh? Because it stays in your stomach until the next day, the time which you have eaten it exactly like this. That's why we prefer to leave alone matoke, you eat right now at evening you feel hungry, you need to eat more. No. This is once a day.
Guys, I enjoy the food.
You prefer which one? You prefer bo
Yes, I prefer beef.
and then
Maybe this.
and this.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, for me, my favorite is also bo and this malakwang. But we don't have malakwang in our place. Wanji? Oh, but
We won't take okra.
but now you can't give us okra for side dish. Don't you see? I hope you have enjoyed this video. We have been here with my brother from Kenya. We almost speak the same language, like I told you in the. So his name is Lennox.
Yes.
So you can go and check his channel
Yeah, you
out.
can check my channel out, Lennox Junior.
Yeah, Lennox Junior. I will put the link in the description below. Yeah. So
If you are from my channel also, kindly thank you very much for coming to his channel. I really appreciate it. We did several videos with him and he has shown me around Kampala and the culture, the food. I really appreciate, man. Really appreciate it.
yeah, if I may ask you, how can you comment this food?
They are very natural. Like we don't have this in Kenya. Or if it is there, it's very expensive.
Oh.
Yes.
So your brown ugali, is it also like this?
No,
It's not like that.
it's not like this.
Mm,
That one we don't have. It's not that common.
it's not that common.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you have never tasted this. This is
I've never tasted that.
malakwang.
Only bo, I've eaten bo, but not prepared like this.
Yeah, this even us in our place we also do not prepare it like that. This is the northern way. Even in West Nile also they have another way they also prepare it, but it's the same thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice food. I've
Yes,
enjoyed
they are
it.
all very nice.
I really enjoyed the food.
Guys, I think it's time for us to sign out.
Yes.
Bye bye. See you in the next video.